What's up, guys? Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com, and I am so excited to share this April kit that I put together. So I've really been trying to think of what I can do to make sure that people get to try all of the good stuff that is coming out of this company. So I put this together. I think you're going to love it. It is pretty amazing, if I do say so myself. But what are ketones? So ketones are something that are going to help put your body into nutritional ketosis. They help curb your cravings. They help give you energy. They help you sleep better. They help you have a better mood. Like literally will calm you down if you're a little high strung like I am. But if you're somebody who has been reading about the keto diet, you see the benefits of it, but you're just having a hard time getting there. These are going to help you get there. If you're somebody who's been following keto or high fat, low carb, these are going to help you have a little bit more flexibility in your day to still be in ketosis, to still get the results that you want. It's not going to take you days or weeks to get back into ketosis. If you accidentally have that extra glass of wine, or you go out to dinner with your family and the people in the kitchen put sugar in everything, because they actually do that. So this helps me personally have more flexibility, and I just love them. So let's go through really quickly what is in this kit, because this is while supplies last. Like, I'm giving you guys some exclusive flavors, some exclusive formulas that I can't even get any more of right now. So this is going to be while supplies last. If the link is up, then I still have some kits left. If the link is down, then I'm sold out, and that's just, I can't do anything about it. All right, so first, these are the two original formulas, Keto OS. This is the keto operating system that launched the ketone revolution that is happening right now. This is the first one on the market. I'm actually really proud of that because this company is amazing. So Keto OS comes in chocolate swirl, which I do not recommend mixing with just plain water. I don't like it with plain water. I like it mixed with cold brew coffee. I like it mixed in something called Mermaid Tears that I'll link to below. It's like this fat-burning iced coffee that I'm obsessed with. Or you can mix it with almond milk. Don't drink this with just water. Orange swirl tastes just like an orange creamsicle. You just mix it with water. Tastes like an orange creamsicle ice cream. This one is the only one that has added fats in it. So this has good healthy fats, MCTs. It's going to help keep you fuller longer. Next, we've got this exclusive flavor of the Keto Cream. This is called the Nutty Keto Man, which is a really weird name. But Keto Cream is amazing. Keto Cream, you mix in your coffee. You can mix in hot tea. There's recipes that you can make cookies and stuff with it, pancakes, I think. But what this is 3 types of MCTs, so it's the good fats that you want in your keto diet, and then it's got 4 types of collagen in it. So this has the collagen that's good for your skin, your hair, your nails, and it also has AC11, which is anti-aging. This is so good mixed with the chocolate flavors, which, like I said, I'll link my Mermaid Tears video below, but definitely try these together. Is what I would recommend. This flavor in particular of the Keto Cream reminds me of, if you're from the South, you know what I'm talking about. It's called 5 flavor pound cake. How it's got like vanilla extract, almond extract, like cherry extract, like that to me is what this flavor tastes like. It's really good. All right, so that's that, and then we've got 5 flavors of the Max. So you get to try 5 different flavors of the Max formula. Max formula is our most advanced formula. This one is going to have more ketones per serving than the Keto OS. And it's also the most bioidentical to the ketones that your body naturally produces, which means it absorbs faster. You're going to feel the effects longer than with the Keto OS. So this comes in Maui Punch, which tastes like Hawaiian Punch. It's good mixed with just water, but dilute it because it's sweet. Swiss Cacao, which tastes a lot like the chocolate swirl. I definitely recommend this with cold brew coffee, heavy whipping cream, or you can mix it with the Keto Cream and cold brew. Really good. Keto Envy. This is like mint chocolate chip ice cream. If you like mint chocolate chip, Andy's Mints, mint chocolate chip ice cream, you're going to love this. Mix it with almond milk. Raspberry lemonade. This was my favorite. I think I drank like so many boxes of this when it first came out, or when I first discovered it. If you like things that are tart, if you like that tart, like I love Sour Patch Kids and like sour gummies, like you're going to love this if you love lemonade and sour. It's not super sour. It tastes like lemonade. All right, and then we've got Splash, which is like a watermelon grapefruit. This reminds me of Fresca. If you like Fresca, you're going to love this. Mix it with some sparkling water. You've basically got fat-burning Fresca. Can't even say it. All right, so this is the next formula that we have. This formula is not available right now. It only comes in 2 different flavors. I only have one of the flavors right now, so you're getting Amped and Blue Ocean. Amped is basically Keto Max with extra caffeine. So if this is the equivalent to 1 cup of coffee, this is the equivalent to 2 cups of coffee. There is research that shows that caffeine accelerates the effects of ketones. So that's where this is headed. But this is perfect for somebody who is like me, who has a hard time getting going in the morning. If you're not a morning person, you're going to love this because the ketones, the 2 cups of coffee equivalent caffeine, like this will get you cranked up. It tastes pineapple-y. It's like a pina colada-ish flavor. It's also really delicious mixed with vodka. It's like the best cocktail you've ever had, and because of the ketones, you won't get a hangover. Ask me how I know. All right, so next we've got Keto Kalm Tea. These are so good. So how this is designed to get you going in the morning. This is the opposite. So the Keto Calm is designed to help you shut off your day. When you get home, you've left work at home. This is designed to help you shut off your day, relax, enjoy your family, and then get a really good night's sleep. So if you're somebody who likes a glass of wine at night to unwind, this is going to be your new favorite friend, your new favorite sippy cup. It's like a wine equivalent. That's what I equate it to. It is very relaxing. If you're somebody who's suffered from insomnia like I have, if you're somebody who is sort of high strung like I am, you're going to love this. It's going to help you sleep better. It's going to help you relax, calm down, and just shut everything off at night. It comes in 2 flavors. Chocolate, which tastes like a hot chocolate. You can add some heavy whipping cream to this to make it creamier, but all you do is just mix it into hot water. And then it comes in a caramel apple flavor. You get both. The caramel apple tastes like a sweet apple cider. And then the last thing that you're going to get in your April kit is this packet of MCT 143. MCT oil is so, so good for you. It's good for you on the keto diet. It helps you get those fat macros in a way that is not going to stick to your butt because MCT oil, because of the way that it's made, it's used for fuel. So it's not stored on your body, on your love handles. It's used for fuel. It's also so versatile. You can add it on top of your salads. You can stir it into soups. You can, make your own bulletproof coffee with this if you want to, or you can just rip the packet off and suck it down. If you want to know the truth, I keep one of these in my purse at all times because, with the best of intentions, with the best plans, you will end up eventually out somewhere with no options and you're starving and you're tired. You can rip this open and get like an instant boost and, help get you to when you can make a healthy choice. So I love these, keep these all the time. So that's it. That's the April kit. I hope that you guys love it. So excited. If you've never tried any of these products, I'm so excited to hear what you think, and I hope that you love them just as much as I do.